Hi, today I'm going to be demonstrating how to transition between a major triad and a minor triad harmoniously by using an interval of a second and an interval of a fifth. Now today we play this in ascending order. There are various ways to get there, which we'll go over in my sound healing training on August 22nd at the Hive in Olympia, Washington from 10 to 6. We will talk about the musicality of sound and, most importantly, how to approach sound as medicine with your energy signature. Link in the bio.